Casa Custom offers a range of walk-in closet systems designed to maximize storage space, enhance organization, and a touch of style to your closet. Casa Custom walk-in closet systems can be customized to suit your specific needs and preferences, allows you to create a personalized storage solution that perfectly fits your wardrobe and lifestyle. With a wide range of storage options available, you can efficiently organize and access your belongings. Casa Custom walk-in closet systems are built to last, constructed using high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity in daily use. With Casa Custom's walk-in closet systems, you can transform your closet into a functional and stylish space that meets your storage needs and reflects your personal style. Follow us and get more details.